We're getting some more breaking news on the broadcast. We're learning that RJD candidate from Sasaram, Satyendra Shah, has been arrested, and this has happened immediately after filing his nomination for the upcoming elections. According to reports, a permanent warrant was issued against him by the Garhwa court in Jharkhand in connection with a 2004 dacoity case. He had been absconding in that matter ever since. My colleague Amit Pandey is joining us on the broadcast. Amit, first of all, take us through what is this entire story, this candidate, RJD candidate from Sasaram, who has been arrested now in a 2004 dacoity case. How is that really being playing out, and what is the RJD saying about it?
Look, it's approximately 2 decades old case, and RJD candidate has been arrested on those charges, and different agencies conducted probe, and immediately as soon as he filed the nomination, he was arrested. But this move will whole be targeted by the opposition, accusing and targeting the ruling party and ruling administration that why the action was not taken for the last couple of years, and why it was taken only after the nominations were filed. So it is going to make a big political move and big political issue when these parties will contest the election. And RJD, as far as RJD is concerned, we have talked to top political persons and top position holders in RJD. They are saying that it's a course of law, and they are consulting their lawyers, and after only some time they will give their reaction. So definitely after this arrest, the politics in Sasaram region, that is bordering state of UP, will heat up, and those people will, ruling party will say something, and opposition will say the other thing.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. With that, we're shifting our focus. Let's now take a look at more reactions that are coming in on what really is going on in Bihar, what is happening to the Mahagathbandhan, and what is it really about this friendly fight between the RJD and the Congress party. Let's take a look at the reactions.
जो दृश्य उत्पन्न वो लोगों ने किया है, उससे साफ जाहिर है कि वहाँ स्वार्थ की टकराहट है, स्वार्थ के लिए गठबंधन है। आरजेडी और कांग्रेस परिवारवादी पार्टी है, परिवार से बाहर सोचती नहीं है, उसके संस्कार में भ्रष्टाचार है, घोटाला है, अपराधियों को संरक्षण देने का है, और जहां स्वार्थ की राजनीति होगी वहां विकास पीछे छूटता है। नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व वाली एनडीए सरकार ने विकास की धारा को घर घर तक पहुंचाया। उसमें विकास ही हमारा आधार है, और जनता अब विकास चाहती है, बिहार का अपना और बच्चों का भविष्य उज्जवल चाहती है, इसलिए सब एनडीए के साथ है।
जो हमारी एनडीए घटक दल है वो पहले ही सीट शेयरिंग के साथ अपने अपने सीटों पे लग गए। महागठबंधन में अभी लठबंधन है। अभी ये तो उन्होंने सीट घोषित की है, बाकी जो बचे हुए हैं, जो 11 को चुनाव होने हैं, लेकिन जो 6 नवंबर को चुनाव होने हैं उसमें 50 से ज़्यादा सीट पर तो सबने अपना अपना खड़ा कर दिया। राजद ने भी खड़ा कर दिया, कांग्रेस ने भी खड़ा कर दिया, माले ने भी, मुकेश सहनी की भी पार्टी ने। तो वहाँ पर जो कुछ हुआ अभी ये गठबंधन नहीं है, ये लठबंधन है। उनका फोकस बिहार का विजय नहीं है, बिहार का विकास नहीं है, बिहार के लोगों का सुविधा बढ़े, ये नहीं है। इनका अपना घर कैसे भरे, कैसे भ्रष्टाचार कर सकें सत्ता लोलुप लोग, इनको बिहार की जनता पहचान चुकी है।
And on that note, we go into a very short break. News and updates continue right here on CNN News 18. Stay tuned.